Today I'm going to make a video to laminate iPad 10.5 touch glass. As you can see, this is our iPad universal all-color lamination mode. On the base mode, there are 4 pieces small yellow rubber mat stick on the magic black mat, and it will stick the front glass. Now we will put the ochre on the touch glass to alignment well. And then we will put this pieces, this is top part, top mode. We put it on the glass and it will stick ochre, and then we can laminate. Very easy with this mode. Okay, this top part, top mode stick the ochre very well, and then we press the ochre to stick it on the mode. This touch flex don't put inside, we put it outside, and then we put it in our sameking 19-inch lamination machine. This is very big size. Okay, we put it well. The pressure we set to 40 pressure, and vacuum time we set 50 vacuum time, and hold time we set to 10. Okay, let's check it. 从上往下. As you can see, its alignment very well. The ochre size we put it very well. Alignment very good. There's no bubble, but we will still remove bubble for 10 minutes later.